Welcome to Mascot Fashions, your trusted source for high quality shirting and shooting fabrics. In today's video, we are excited to showcase our exclusive collection of premium shooting fabrics. Our high end shooting fabrics meet all global standards. At Mascot Fashions, we specialize at manufacturing high quality fabrics tailored to every market needs. Whether your clients demand breathable summer collection or luxurious winter wear, we have got you covered. In this video, you can see the high quality shooting fabrics that we offer. Our fabrics are of premium quality and we export in more than 50 countries. The prices of our fabric fits every budget. Our prices starts from as low as 75 rupees per meter. We are the leading suppliers of many big brands in India and outside India. We offer shooting fabrics for school uniform, corporate uniform, fancy TR shooting fabrics, and TR lycra fabrics. We also make fabrics for tob, juba, and men's abaya fabric. We have our in-house designing team and we have a variety of shooting fabrics in plain, checks, stripes, dobbies. Our fabrics are perfect for casual, formal, and luxury segments. These fabrics are designed to impress. Our fabrics are trusted by international clients across the globe. We ensure that every meter meets strict quality standards, making them ideal for high demand markets. Our fabrics are suitable for menswear, womenswear, and kidswear. As you can see in the video, we have a huge color range and a huge variety of designs. The best part about buying from us is our ready stock of premium shooting fabrics. This means we can minimize lead times and dispatch your order within 2 to 3 days. Whether you are planning for large exports or meeting tight domestic deadlines, our ready availability ensures seamless operations for your business. If you are liking our fabrics, you can visit our office, which is located in Mumbai, India. If you want to check the qualities, then we can send you the samples in your address. Do contact us on the number which is shown on the screen. We will share with you all the necessary information that you require about the fabrics. You can contact us to explore the full collection or you can place an order also. To get regular updates about our fabrics, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And yes, don't forget to subscribe and share our channel.